Okay guys, we have another interesting one again. 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4. How do we start? Here is power 4. Here is power 5. I can decide to express 5 as summation of 4 and 1 because there is 4 here already. This will give me 27 power 4 plus 1 minus 27 power 4. A power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Meaning we have 27 power 4 times 27 power 1 minus 27 power 4. 27 power 4, 27 power 4, let's factor that out. This divides 27 power 4, we have 27 minus 27 power 4 divides 27 power 4, we have 1. From here, we have 27 power 4 times 27 minus 1, that is 26. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, that is 3 power 3. So I have 3 power 3 power 4 times 26. A power x power y equals a power x times y. 3 power 12 times 26. What is the value of 3 power 12? You can express 12 as 10 plus 2, so we have 3 power 10 plus 2 times 26. This leads us to this other one here again, a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. So this will be 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 26. So this will be 3 power 10 times 9 times 26. And 3 power 10 equals 3 power 5 times 2. And this is 3 power 5 to the power of 2. And 3 power 5 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is 9, 27, 81, 243. This is 243 power 2. And this means 243 times 243. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12, carry 1, 4 times 4, 16, plus 1, 17, 7 carry 1, 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. We add up together. 9, 4, 20, 0, 2, carry 1, 19, 9, 5, 94 now. This is 594, 9, 10, 9 times 26. Let's concentrate on the first two. 594, 9 times 9. 594, 9 times 9. 9 times 9, 81, 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, 36. Plus 8, 44, 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 9 times 9, 81, 1 carry over 8. Then 9 times 5, 45 plus 8, 53. 531441 times 26 will give us our final answer. 531,441 times 26 times. Let's start with 6. 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 4, 24, 4 carry over 2. 6 times 4 again, 24 plus 2, 26, 6 carry over 2. 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 times 3, 18, 8 carry over 1. 6 times 5, 30 plus 1, we have 31. Proceed to 2, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 4 again, 8, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 5, 10. We add up 6, 6, this is 14, 4, that is 9 plus 8, that is 17, 7, 1 here, 11, 1, add 1 here, 2 plus 6, 8, this is 3, this is 1. This is what we are getting. 13,817,466. 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4 equals 13,817,466. And we have achieved this with our calculator. This also is the same as writing 3 power 3 power 5 minus 3 power 3 power 4 is the same value, 13,817,466. If you decide to multiply this out based on if you have a power x power y equals a power x times y, that means if you are given to find the value of 3, 3 times 5 is 15 minus 3 times 4 is 12. That means you still have the same as 13,817,466. They are all correct. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it and this is our answer. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I really appreciate it, and drop your comment, your answer, or any other method of simplifying this with a calculator. Drop it on the comment box. I will appreciate and respond to all. Thank you and goodbye.